Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV about.
Cut it off. Cut that shit off. You're going to go to jail. Remember, me tell you that 2 tickets me get paid for. And me call blood clot him and tell him, here now, me did tell you so that you know 100% good, but you know your mother pussy hole. Oh, and money that me got pay out of my pocket like a red eye suck pussy boy. Big bulky that sodomite boy. Every day on lick up about Batman now I that do it. You know, worse than them. Me respect a batty boy will come up front and make me know I am Shanae. But when you're in the blood clot back and just a blink so lady glitter, me no like you know. Come out of your closet, batty boy Subboss. Come out of your closet. Fuck ya, come text it for me for you don't see say blood clot. Me a fight a spiritual battle. You big pussy boy, you with dead boy. Stop playing me. Come and tell you this. You see, oh, you go on? Somebody you have to bust your gun today or dry your knife or something, you know. Come on, mind you fully make up. Come know deep down when me I do business with you, me not short your money, I be a tip, me tip you, me I'll tip you $10. So if you violate somebody like me, hungry pussy old boy, hungry Subboss. When you come do any. You see when time him did go so boom car, a jersey me and big one did I go buy the car, you know. And big one call him, and when big one call him, he say, yeah, him friend that a cash money have a car, if you come look on it. When we go look on it, instant me like the car and say, me I go buy this. The man say 4 fucking 5 and a 4 5 or 4 grand, something up on the receipt. Me give him. Me not give him the shot, not even a $100 cash to take off of it. So all you make me get car and all you do something for me. Stinking mouth boy. Not $60 me give you. Suck pussy Subboss. When me done pay for my blood clot car, me not give $60 hungry boy. Me Cheeze not give $60 and said have a drink. Eh? We could have left you there stranded. Me could have left you there stranded. So a big one make me get back the Temp tag. A big one make me get it back. Because big one, me don't know a big one going to go say to you, but big one must have say, you know, I know you Cheeze to get the money or and me to get the money or whatnot. If I me to get the money, take me show you something. I'm going to show you something. Okay? You swear me, bro. I say all when time my blood clot down. None of uno now go get no laugh over me. I send my money to blood clot. Jamaica go bank that. So could no matter clothes and dancing around them over. I'm going to show you something now. Bulky at Subboss. Nasty man. My place in a state in a first. None of this. Go suck your mother, suck a pussy and suck a batty hole. You cannot get this. Go and suck your mother. You red eye. Fucking shit like you. Come take it now. Come take it now. One of this alone you want. One of this. Just one. Just one. See the one. And look how much of them there. Look how much. A whole lot of money in this motherfucker. You cannot get none. To suck your mother. None. Come ramp with me again and see something. Why you ramp with me one time downstairs? You know why you do nothing behind my back. Because upstairs I live. You know why you do nothing at all behind my back. Nothing. Humbuckler. Show you something. Then for this are just chums. My money, most of my money they are blood clot Jamaica. Body lover 88, but we give her black. Cause we don't was use dough, we don't was pay $1, yeah. That I tell you, all the black so good girl, leave my place. Like a jar if you want to see bad things happen to me. All the while I tell you, you can't stop follow me up and stop come around me and them little things there. You see me? Nothing but door deal not aunt me. Subboss I just one broke boy. We in a money worries. One big broke boy. We in a money worries. Yeah. At least me have my liar money. Someone don't have none. That's why she get a cute black kid or so good blood clot. And she have to leave. You know, but every time me I smoke the weed like me can't feel nothing. I can't stress my brother. And then you come add more stress to me stress. Call if you call me in the downstairs because you're a bad boy. I'm alone as a woman. They say me is a mad woman. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad because that you not try to do me. Right now, I don't even care about no case because I don't do nothing. Nothing at all. I don't do. So I'm not worried about that. Subboss don't take off the heater for the case now, so it depends on him. Him yesterday now. I could feel like I could have bad boy out there sit there. Eh? We come and find with the house, think out the bed, little bit about buckler. And I come see girl now in one room, choke up with her bed, brad, and she just a road. So, what are the problems? Subboss, you live on a... Subboss, you have to eat me. You have to eat me because me deliberately make you come upstairs, come see now my blood clot royal palm estate. You have to eat me. Yeah. You have to eat me. Yeah. Suck your mother. You big pussy girl. You must feel like say me don't want the two on the gang me. The two on the one gang me. Because me know you can't manage me as a man. So I two have to gang me. So me I put it on a cranny blood clot. Duffus and Delos. Go suck on the mama. Boy, your name blood clot. You don't name no Subboss. Your name bad mind. Want live like people and can't live like people. Red eye for people things. I say you're a woman name. Want your blood clot, pussy clot, come ramp with me car again. And when you come ramp with me car again this time, me go walk out the whole of the place. Me alone. I'll show you something. Yeah. Him name Raman, of course. I don't even remember if a Raman Brown or a Raman was the last name. I not use no police for me, bad people. Face the pussy there for come face me. And him see something. When him face me, then you show the crowd who you really is because I have a problem you want with me. To come see me Temp for my car and tear it off. But through me I talk to you one way. Who is you, dirty suck pussy Batman Subboss? You nobody? You nobody me a bigger thing for your boya and pan the media. And I can size up and show and say on a lily to me thing. Me thing tough like Rockstone. We are play with cat boy. Suck pussy Subboss. Eh? The amount of people can you make get take with boya. The amount of people you make PR ticket. Your 10 tag not good. Say if you don't want to use your 10 tag, don't get in your feelings. Me understand say the $60 a month cut off. But my cream also slow down. I mean now make it be a problem to nobody. You turn to an next hustle. Where you say your body done, then Subboss you mean to tell me say since you come and find and start use your body hole. Oh yeah, use it from down a yard. You have to use that from down a yard. You should have come with a good leather in your backside and a blood clot coming in the United States of America. That means say you did that do dermos, firmos. You and the man did that fuck on one another down at Jamaica. How you get it? Don't play with people where you see that them problem and not see a man. You see a batty boy. Question me I ask, would you do that to a nigga if you and a nigga had an altercation? No. No. And certain girl you couldn't do it too. Because if you know a girl a fuck a certain man, you not do it. But you ain't hear my pussy a dash out like dirty water about the place, you feel like you can come size up. Eh? You feel like me I done with you. You feel like me I done with you. Me, you want your crew no blood clots. Watch and see. Fuck your company carry red eye. Subboss member multiple times you tell me say for go around. Me all have voice note. Wait until me get back my blood clot phone. My have voice note where you voice note me and tell me say me for go get me title from cash. I go take back my money from cash. I'm tell you say the man say when time my blood clot register the car, but for just come to him and him give me the title. Me not run down nothing. That me say to you. Suck pussy. I'm a swear upon my life. Me I like God take me sinful life. That you said to me, Subboss. And you supposed to they run cash them. Everybody was shooting up. And them on a blood clot turn pan. Me know you is a bitch long time. Cause you remember one night when you had the big pussy girl in a problem. And you tell me say you bring one girl up at the yard. You know me not tell no lie whatsoever, Subboss. Yeah, them time that the girl they over New Jersey with her husband, thinking Subboss, and it a frost you out. The tag when not good, of course, that the tag that they get take off of the car, and me end up go court, and me get me pay for 2 tickets. Me now use him back because he might do illegal stuff, and I don't want the car get take away. So me decide for ask around, and me tell them some want the legit tag. Them say with the legit tag you have to have a license. So I then get somebody with a license who can do it and make them deal with it for me. Boom! You see me take Temp tag, you see me Temp tag for my car and have a blood clot problem with. How do you suck pussy boy? Eh? When I do people in a life, you are my baby father. My baby father start all of them crosses upon me, you know you would. I'm a baby father start all of them crosses upon me and all when me do a good. Me never do that boy then nothing. From this so pussy boy come for me, every cross is a turn down for me. Everyone. The whole I feel like say people can take as much. There is how much a man can take here. There is so much a man can take and none of them can mad me for that me see no want do. Now I put mad for my good blood clot name. You can call me mad. Eh? You can mad people will eat out a rubbish pan. You call me mad that one time me dress up and you dress up. You dress up straight through the week and me do it one day and kill everything. Bap. 40-year-old. Me older than your woman and me look younger, fresher than your blood clot woman. So what you say to me? You can call me mad suck pussy boy. Eh? You can call me mad. Too much I wanna feel like say to me wanna see me a roll it. Me say me can yo, you never understand. Oh yeah, come take off Temp tag. Why you never call me and say I downstairs me there now me I take off your Temp tag. Let me come downstairs and you do it in front of my face and me I want woman. You know you can't do that. You know it would have been 3F fuck fighter funeral. You couldn't do that pussy. You have to wait until me in my house you do that. So I'm afraid you. You a bad boy? Eh? He's no bad boy. You a fool Subboss. You take me for a fool and want to show me up to the crowd. What you mean if your blood clot draw me out? You draw me out today. And me walk from the yard and walk come straight down at your side and you nah pick the phone. You nah come give me what I want. Just like how me give you what you want. You tear my Temp tag. Come out to me. I come make pride. Come like some little so good girl in my community where me used to live. Them walk and make blood clot problem and when you start put on heap and the thinking pussy girl them run gone to the dad. He's one of them bitch. He's one of them bitch ass Sherelle. A long time gotta fight my battle. Poor God good at tired to me and for blood. God say help those help those who help them. Say them for blood clot put every pressure upon God man. You're crazy. God have oh God man. I don't know have no little like a little love for God too, you know. Every pressure I want put upon God. No sir, not God. Me can deal with some pussy Subboss. Me can deal with him. Yeah. Big pussy boy. All out the grudge be a bad bite but for no reason. For what? That's why I don't get cute every day. I pay all my money for do all my surgery. Me can't tell the world, you know. Yeah, me can't tell the world. No. My money paid for do my blood clot surgery. I'm going to take it back. Yeah, me go take it back. Because if me look like this, and me is a problem, I don't think me should have done a blood clot more. But don't think I should have done no more. Me never see a man a throw stone pan an empty tree yet. It's all about cat boy like you, Subboss. We are gonna make the mistake and talk about how much people say I'm mad. You're madder than me. Cause you come trouble blood clot me. Oh. Boy, you could tear off blood clot tag off a car pussy if I ever hold it today, see. I don't respond to what would happen to me. But from work you 2 times, I don't want nothing more. Feel good, you fuck. But right, so let me see no which way you live or you come meet me. And 1 week would I pronounce today. And to the way how I feel now, I don't care. I don't care. I'm not taking too much set on me too long. And then come out come play victim. When I not see bomb blood clot, uno. Yeah, like a big old tumblebug where your blood clot have a walk with about the place, yeah. Stinking mouth, boy. The big old tumble blood clot bug. Yeah, class the two blood clot, uno. Oh. Think you know made you suck pussy, boy. I made you whole heap of time in a dance and I be a true, yeah, true wood. Be what you true like a little girl. We're not gonna put the clip them in your ear, don't plot up already. But that him want that would have happening at the blood clot there, yeah. Oh, never care. Nobody can make me cut up my body. You mad? Cut up for body. I say pussy clot mad. I'm a bleaching nice so when I come off, you have to stop bleach because I didn't have a date for go pan. For go take out them fatty and put it at the right place. I make you go on. Suck on no mother. If me angry, no so me a mad man. My blood clots. Trouble in the valley. Big long time. Suck pussy sodomite boy. Yeah, sodomite. And we know. You have a nasty Batman infection I walk with. Yeah. I couldn't see nobody else for blood clots, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Batty boy, me there before you feel me make you come over to me stinking mouth boy. Dirty Batty man. With your face full up a beer hole. A little track face boy and ramp with me now. I'm gonna know which normal blood clot girl put them nice face near yours, you know, thinking boy. Oh, your face full up of infection, a beer yellow blood clot bump me ever see. With some nasty dirty water, blood clot water, you know, it's stinking so bad. Can't ramp with me, eh? In my element and nasty, nobody. When last hear me, I chase people by ya. Fuck you come on me yard boy, you take out. I'm going to go down the stairs now. I want your blood clot, I pass and come down there. And pass and see me things and touch it and you know which God has served you today. Cause big buckle me and come downstairs with. Oh, think they give me a chance and wait till we them think a gunshot suck pussy boy. Can't go me now no bumble clot service man that tablet yeah.